Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Okay, so today I want to show you a very nice diminished chord movement. Will be in the key of F sharp. So we're gonna use this popular song by Nathan Bassey. See what the Lord has done. So let me show you that movement. You can use this on a lot of hymns also, gospel hymns. Great is thy faithfulness. So let me show you that. So let's go. See what the Lord has done. Now you do. See what the Lord has done. So this movement, or you can also use it on your five. Okay, I think great is thy faithfulness. Okay, oh Lord, my Father, right? There is no shadow of. Now look at this. Okay, Johnny Weedy, then the changes are. You can use it on that also. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to call out the notes and show you the roots very fast, so you can pick your pen and paper. But before then, I just released a course containing over 30 songs, 25 to 30 songs that I did breakdowns for. So you should get your copy. The link to get it is in the description of this video, and then you can also check the seller link on our about page of this channel. You'll see the seller link there. You can get it. So it's just 5,000 naira present for the first 20 people, and then $10. So that's a promo price, so it's going up very soon. You should get your copy before we put it up. Okay, so now, so just get at the description. You can check the description for the link to get it. So let me show you this chord. So what am I doing here? The movement is basically supposed to take us from, in this first case, from 1 to 5. Great is thy faithfulness from 1 to 5. But then we don't just want to go blankly like that, just from great is thy faithfulness, or see what the Lord has done. See what the Lord has done. No, not after playing piano for over 20 years. We'll not be doing that. So, I mean, let's just imagine this. See what the Lord has done. And then you just throw. So people will be like, wow, that's a very nice one. So let me call out the notes so you can see what I'm playing. So it goes like this. My roots is going from 2 all the way down to 7. 2 all the way down to 7. So 2 all the way down to 7, right? Also, my right hand is doing your major 2, the first inversion. So that is A flat. Is doing your 3 minor in a second inversion also. So that's simultaneously. So right. Then on 1 is doing your major 2 again in the second inversion. This is your major 2, first inversion of it, second inversion of it, that's A flat in this case. So together we have a, then you hit this note, then you come to your 5. So that's how it goes. So you just need to pick what I just explained now, write it down, and then practice it. That's how to learn it, and then try and learn this in all keys, because you can also have to use it in your on your 5 to 3. I just did the same thing on 5 to 3 now, so it's the same principle. So you should try that out, and don't forget to get the course I just released, and also my intermediate piano course, my 500 chord book, ebook, how to play on all keys, and many other tutorials I have, courses I have on my seller store. You can check them out. Right. So, and if you have issues with getting them on the seller store, you can also chat me up on WhatsApp. My contact is on the home page of this channel. God bless you. Right?